Welcome to the 2026 review of the top 5 best pressure washing services in Louisville, Kentucky. Homes in the Ohio Valley face unique challenges, especially in areas like the Highlands, St. Matthews, and Jeffersontown. High humidity summers and mold-inducing winters require professional exterior cleaning to maintain property value and curb appeal. We've compiled a list of the top 5 highly rated specialists in Louisville, categorized by their specific zone of genius, along with an upcoming rising star to watch. Number 1 is Kentuckiana Softwash, the roof preservation experts. They are market leaders in non-pressure roof cleaning, specializing in removing black streaks using low-pressure chemical treatments, ideal for high-end shingle and slate roofs. Number 2, Wash It Off, the high-volume powerhouse. This is the go-to for large-scale residential projects and commercial fleet accounts. Their efficiency is unmatched for massive concrete areas, particularly in places like Fern Creek. Number 3 is Louisville Exterior Cleaning, the Siding Restoration Pro. Known for a detail-first approach, they specialize in vinyl and hardy board siding. They use eco-friendly detergents that ensure your home's envelope stays watertight without high PSI. Number 4, Precision Power Wash, the brick and stone specialist. Highly regarded for historic masonry in Old Louisville, they use temperature-controlled water to clean limestone and red brick, avoiding damage like pitting or spalling. Finally, number 5 is Eco Green Exterior, the sustainability leader. They use 100% biodegradable cleaning agents, making them the top choice for environmentally conscious homeowners with sensitive landscaping, koi ponds, or pets. Our honorable mention, the rising star, is D&D Pressure Washing and Detailing. They offer hybrid mastery, applying white glove precision to both house washing and high-end auto detailing. Their versatility makes them a top contender for a total property refresh. A pro tip for homeowners: always verify that your contractor is fully insured and offers free estimates. For the best results, choose a pro who understands the specific challenges of your Louisville zip code, whether it's soot or red clay.
Not sure which pro fits your budget? We've made it easy. Click the link in our description to fill out our 1-minute pro match form. We'll send your details to the best local specialist for your specific project, so you get a free estimate fast. Don't let the algae win. Get your quote today.